Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 24 to 30, 2024. So, let's see what's coming to you ngayong week na to. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Yan, pakicheck nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. So, Gemini, let's see what's up with you. Anong ganap sa mga Gemini? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Oh, okay. Some of you meron new beginnings, no? Na pwedeng kayo ay hindi pa ready sa new beginnings na to. Okay, bottom of the deck. Seven of Cups. So, yun na nga. Hindi pa kayo ready, you're confused. You are still, pinag-iisipan, pinag-aaralan mo yung situation na to. Kung ano ang pipiliin mo or sino yung pipiliin mo. Some of you, pwedeng merong marriage, no? May kasalang magaganap or isang serious relationship, pwedeng may proposal. Pwedeng ikaw nagbabala ka mag-propose sa person mo or yung person mo nagbabalak mag-propose sa'yo. At kung mag-propose man to, I'm not sure kung tatanggapin mo or i-delay mo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, at this point, maganda yung takbo ng career, ng finances, ng business. So parang kung meron kang papasukin na bagong responsibilities like marriage, getting into a very serious relationship, isip mo kung right timing ba? Nasa timing ba yung gagawin mo? Kasi things are doing well for you. Parang masaya ka na. You are free, you are doing things na gusto mong gawin. You are building your finances, you are independent. And maaring iniisip mo na ready ka na ba for that serious commitment. Okay? Although yung iba sa inyo, you are ready. Siguro bibigyan nyo lang muna ng time yung sarili nyo na enjoy yung mga blessings na dumarating sa inyo. Sa career, sa business, sa finances nyo. Your overall energy is the High Priestess. So talagang masusing pag-aaral. You are becoming wiser. Kumbaga, inisip mo, okay, kung gagawin ko to, ano yung mangyayari? Ano yung possible na mangyari? Kung hindi ko to gagawin, ano yung possible na mangyari? Ganon. And I feel like you're just keeping it to yourself. Hindi ka masyadong nagsasalita or nagsishare ng mga iniisip mo or mga plano mo. You're just keeping it to yourself. Kasi pwedeng ayaw mo na maapektuhan yung mga tao sa paligid mo or merong makialam sa mga plans mo. You have the Ace of Cups as your challenge. I feel like there's some, meron kang mga feelings, emotions na hindi mo na ilalabas. Okay? So, if there's someone na masasabi mong mapagkakatiwalaan mo, parang confident mo, who can listen to you, na lahat ng sasabihin mo hindi naman makakarating or makakalabas sa iba, then talk to someone, no? Para mabawasan yung mga iniisip mo, yung mga gumugulo sa'yo. Your opportunity is the Knight of Wands, which is freedom, courage, lakas ng loob. So, ngayon, meron kang kalayaan, natatamasa mo yung kalayaan na gusto mo. At ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng independence, no? Kasi kapag malaya ka, you are responsible for yourself. At pag responsable ka sa sarili mo, ibig sabihin independent ka. Kasi sarili mo inaasahan mo. There are also opportunities to travel, to go to some places for adventure. Okay? So your blessing is the King of Swords. Definitely, you are very mature, wiser. No? Kung mga nakaraang taon, kumbaga pag nagdesisyon ka is bahala na. Ngayon, before you decide on to something, pinag-iisipan mo ng maraming beses. Yes. And you've gained so much wisdom to the point na pwedeng yung ibang tao lumalapit sa'yo to seek advice, humingi ng advice. Some of you, kung you are taking up law or anything related sa government, I also see some blessings there. Pwedeng ikaw ay mapopromote or may mga magagandang opportunities na mag-open up sa'yo. Sa yung money, career, finances, you have the World, the Four of Swords, and the Sun. Yung iba rito, may opportunity to travel for vacation. Hindi to yung para magtrabaho. But, pwede rin naman, meron ding mga tao na yung travel nila, work, pero naisisingit nila yung pleasure, no? Yung vacation. Which is, you can also do that. And also, meron din ditong happiness, fulfillment in terms of your career, the business is doing well. Kung meron kang negosyo, I see international transactions, maaring meron kang, mas nag-grow yung business mo. Kumbaga, meron ka ritong na-achieve, natapos, na project, successful siya, na-close, na deal. So, it's time for you to have a break, enjoy, celebrate. There's also a lot of confidence, happiness in your career, whatever ano man yung career mo or business ngayon, things are doing well. So, pagdating sa relationship, you have the Star, the Death card, and the Hierophant. Wow. Major energies for your love life. I see someone, meron ditong babalik, no? Person from the past, na pwedeng aayusin yung relationship nyo. Maaring may mga pagsisisi siya, meron siyang realizations about life, about your past, kung ano yung naging dahilan ng problema ninyo, then there's a possibility na ito yung masasabi nating love is lovelier the second time around. Okay? But if you're single, pwedeng kaka-break nyo lang, no? From someone, and now you are healing from that. Inaayos mo muna yung sarili mo from a person from the past or a relationship na hindi nag-work for you. Romance is in the air. Oh my G. Hidden secrets can harm you. Oh, ayun na. I feel like there is someone in your life na may romantic feelings towards you, pero sinisikreto niya lang to. Or pwedeng ikaw yon, na meron kang gusto, pero sinisikret mo muna. Kasi you feel like hindi ito makakabuti for you in the future. Climbing towards success. Yes, syempre kung meron kang mga plano, marami ka pang gustong gawin, ma-achieve. So, pwedeng isinasantabi mo muna yung love life mo kahit na meron kang nagugustuhan. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Diba? Kanina ko pa ito sinasabi sa inyo, you are becoming wiser. Oo. Mas matalino kayo ngayon. Magaling kayong mag-desisyon, mag-isip. So, may journey rin for some of you. Travel opportunities. Family matters. Maaring related sa family ninyo yung aayusin ninyo, yung aasikasuhin nyo. Pay attention to your health daw, Gemini. So, if there is something na kailangan mong ipa-check up, ipa-check mo na para hindi na siya maging malaking problema in the future. What else? You have Aries, 4th house, Jupiter in Aries. Wow, okay. Some of you are welcoming a new member of the family. Pwedeng meron ditong buntis, or a family member, no? May buntis. Yung iba naman, I see you na starting a new life sa isang bagong bahay. Pwedeng may bibiling kayong bagong bahay, may paparenovate kayo, ipapaayos kayo sa bahay. Happiness. Your thinking will either make your happiness or take your happiness, you choose. Yes. Kumbaga yung ano depende yan sa mindset mo. Okay? You can be uh, you can be happy in the middle of a challenge kasi alam mo na malalagpasan mo rin. Oy, you are taking some risks. Take a chance. Every risk is a success when you're committed to learning and growth. Yes. So, maaring ito na yung susubukan mo na bagong path. You are taking some risk. Tumataya ka rito. This will give you room for growth, no? Pag-unlad sa yung situation. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye.